Hey there, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to another Photoshop video in which we are gonna learn about how to sharpen any image using the Sharpen tool. Even though there are few more options to do that, such as filters, which I always prefer to do. However, this tool has their own benefits, such as it can be a non-destructive tool if you are using sample all layers button. So let's enjoy the tutorial. But before watching this video, don't forget to share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel. Now let's watch it.
Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics.
To use the Sharpen tool, just right click on blur tool, then you'll find the Sharpen tool. Click on that one. Now our Sharpen tool is selected. To sharpen an image, there are two ways. One of them is you can simply paint over original layers, but it is not preferable because it affects the original layer. So for that we can use non-destructive method. For that, simply click on this button. It will create a new layer. Then don't forget to click or don't forget to check this sample all layers. It means it will take a sample from all layers, but by doing this our original layer can be preserved. Now our new layer is selected, which is empty for now. Then simply paint over the areas where you want to increase the sharpness, and it will increase the sharpness. We just need to paint over the areas, it will do its job. Now let me show you the before and after Sharpen tool effect. Here it is. It's our original layer and it's our Sharpen layer. There is one more option, that is protect detail. Don't forget to check this one. If you uncheck this one, it means it will paint overstated details. You can check the practical. Now our protected details is unchecked. Just paint over the areas. It destroying our designs, so don't do that. Rather than doing that, check this button, protect details, then paint over the areas, and it will increase the sharpness. If you are going to paint over the areas while selecting this protect details button, then it means it will preserve or it will save our pixels. Then simply paint over the areas and it will automatically detect the edges or detect the areas where you are painting and sharp that areas according to that. Now there is one more option, that is strength. If you want to increase or decrease the sharpness tool, but as we are using our preserved method because we create our new layer, so that's why we can do that in this way. Our new layer here, check after and before. It's a original layer and it's a sharpened layer. Here we can increase or decrease the opacity to increase or decrease the sharpen effect. So this is about the Sharpen tool. It's too easy to use. You just need to preserve the details. For that, click on protect detail and sample all layers, make a new layer, then paint over the areas where you want to increase the sharpness. That's it. I hope you learned a lot of things from this tutorial and you find it useful. Share this video and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.